We've all been there. It's 7 a.m. Your bed feels like a warm, loving hug, and the outside world feels like a personal attack. You drag yourself to the kitchen, brew a cup of liquid life, and chug it down before your eyes are even fully open. You think you're giving your brain a high five. You think you're cheating the system. But what if I told you that drinking coffee within the first hour of waking up is actually a trap? What if I told you that by drinking coffee right now, you are setting yourself up for a massive, unavoidable afternoon crash that will leave you feeling like a deflated balloon by 2 p.m.? Today, we are shrinking down and going inside your brain to see the literal war happening between your morning coffee and your sleep hormones. To understand the coffee trap, we first have to meet the brain's cleanup crew, a chemical called adenosine. Think of adenosine as a bunch of tiny, overworked janitors. From the moment you wake up, your brain starts producing these little guys. The longer you stay awake, the more of these janitors fill up your brain. Their job is to sit in these special seats called receptors. When they sit down, they send a signal to your body saying, "Hey, we've been working hard all day, it's time to slow down and get sleepy." By 10 p.m., the room is packed with them, which is why you feel exhausted and crawl into bed. When you sleep, these janitors finally do their real work. They clean up the brain, sweep away the mental trash from the day before, and clear themselves out so you can start fresh tomorrow. But here's the catch. When your alarm goes off, the janitors aren't done cleaning. There is still a bunch of yesterday's drowsiness floating around, waiting to finish the job and clear out naturally over the next hour. And here comes caffeine. Now, caffeine is basically a master of disguise. See, to your brain, it looks almost exactly like your natural sleep chemicals. It's the ultimate imposter. Caffeine doesn't actually give you real energy. It just blocks the seats. It literally locks the janitors out so they can't do their job. Your brain looks around, sees empty seats, and assumes you must have infinite fuel. Your heart rate goes up, your focus sharpens, and your stress hormones spike. You feel amazing. But look closely at what's building up behind the scenes. While caffeine is partying and blocking the chairs, your brain doesn't stop creating the sleep chemical. In fact, because you are active, it keeps making more. Because you drank coffee right away, you paused the natural cleanup process. The old drowsiness never left, and the new energy drain is building up behind the floodgates. They are just waiting for the caffeine to wear off. And then, the crash happens. Caffeine usually lasts a few hours, but when it leaves the building, it leaves all at once. Boom. The afternoon crash. Because you didn't let your brain clear out that morning drowsiness naturally, you got hit with a double dose of fatigue all at once. Your immediate reaction? You reach for another coffee. And the vicious cycle repeats, ruining your sleep tonight and making tomorrow morning even worse. So how do you fix this without giving up your morning cup? It's actually super simple. Follow the 90-minute rule. When you wake up, instead of sprinting straight to the coffee maker, wait 90 to 120 minutes. Drink water first and step outside to get some natural light in your eyes. This allows your body's natural hormones to wake you up and gives those morning janitors time to clear out on their own. Once the chairs are empty, then you drink your coffee. The caffeine will have way fewer targets to fight, giving you clean, steady focus all day without the brutal 2 p.m. faceplant. Seriously, work with your brain, not against it. Your inner cleanup crew will thank you. Now, if this video just saved you from your next afternoon crash, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like icon, and drop a comment below. What time do you usually have your first cup? But hey, waiting 90 minutes for coffee is just step one. If you want to know the absolute ultimate morning boost to kickstart your brain before you even touch a drop of caffeine, click on this next video right here. See you there.